Hey there, here are your top news stories from eWEEK. Today's topics include Google's 4 measures to prevent and remove online terror content, Ponemon's first measured decline in the average cost of a data breach worldwide, Windows Server moving to a semi-annual feature update schedule, and machine groups coming to the Microsoft Operations Management Suite. On Sunday, Google's General Counsel Kent Walker outlined 4 measures his company is taking to remove existing terror content from its online properties and to prevent new such content from being posted. The first step is to dedicate additional engineering resources and video analytics technology to remove and prevent extremist content from being posted on its properties. Step 2 is to expand its YouTube Trusted Flagger program to weed out potentially, but not clearly, offensive material. Third, Google will begin taking a tougher stance on videos that contain potentially inflammatory and supremacist content, even if they don't blatantly violate content policies. Finally, Google parent Alphabet will employ its Jigsaw technology incubator to develop social campaigns against hate and radicalization. These measures will expand upon policies already in place to handle offensive content. For years, the cost of data breaches has been on the rise, according to the Ponemon Cost of a Data Breach study. But for the first time, the most recent release of the report indicates that costs may have gone down. Globally, the study reported that the average cost of a data breach is now $3.62 million, a 10% year-over-year decrease from the 2016 report. The average cost of a lost or stolen record globally is $141. However, healthcare industry breaches are much more costly at $380 per record. Although the cost of data breaches was down globally, not every region was lucky enough to experience a downturn in costs. The US, for instance, saw a 5% year-over-year increase in the average cost of a data breach. Wendy Whitmore, global lead of IBM X-Force Iris, attributed this to US regulations on cybersecurity. Windows Server is poised to join Windows 10 and Office with a semi-annual feature update schedule starting this fall, Aaron Chappell, General Manager of Windows Server at Microsoft, announced in a blog post. Customers who hope to innovate at a more rapid pace will be pleased with the announcement, Chappell explained. They will now be able to do so using the server system software's software-defined data center capabilities and its application container and microservices components. The Microsoft executive also assured users that Windows IT management solutions will keep up with the more frequent Windows Server updates. System Center will participate in the new release timetable as well. Microsoft Operations Management Suite gained some new features this spring, including Service Map and Machine Groups. The Service Map feature generates a real-time dependency map that encompasses servers, processes, and third-party processes. It allows users to quickly visualize complex business IT service environments, even if they span multiple data centers and clouds. Machine Groups, meanwhile, allows administrators to further fine-tune their service maps. The new feature lets users create a single configurable map of all the servers involved in delivering a business service. Anytime business requirements change, users can quickly add or remove servers to reflect any alterations. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.